Northern Paiute language. Lesson 39. We're talking about pronouns, but specifically I, me, my, and mine. We'll also be going over you, your, and yours. Ne. Ne means I in the subject sense. It cannot be an object word. Ne. E. E means me or my. And this, it can be either subject or object. Naka. Naka means my or me, subject or object. Then we have nukadu. Nukadu. Nukadu means mine, like it is mine. So usage examples. Ne wiji-pook booni. Ne wiji-pook booni means I see a dog. It doesn't mean my dog sees. It means I, dog, see. I see a dog. Ne wiji-pook booni. Ne wiji-pook booni also means I see the dog. So up here, no article. Here we have an article. I see the dog. Number 3. Ne wiji-pook booni. Ne wiji-pook booni. I see my dog. Wiji-pook, my dog. Number 4. Wiji-pook booni. Wiji-pook booni. My dog sees me. My and me. Wiji-pook, my dog. Booni sees me. Nuka wiji-pook booni. Nuka wiji-pook booni means my dog sees me. Number 6. Wiji-pook nuka booni. Wiji-pook nuka booni means my dog sees me. Emphatic, sees me. And so there's 3 different ways to say the same thing. Number 6 would probably be the most proper, but it doesn't mean these other ones are inaccurate. Wiji-pook nuka booni. My dog sees me. Number 7. Ishoo naatsi nukadu. Ishoo naatsi nukadu means this boy is my son. Nukadu, my son. Subject, object. Ne itua naka. Ne itua naka. I listen to my son, or I hear my son. Ne, subject. Itua, object. Number 9. Itua naka naka. Itua naka naka. My son listens to me. Itua, subject. Naka, to me, or me in the object. Itua naka naka. Number 10. Ne numu bidzapi. Ne numu bidzapi means I like the person. Numu, the person, object. 11. Numu bidzapi. Numu bidzapi. The person bidzapi likes me. Subject, object. Number 12. Numu naka bidzapi. Numu naka bidzapi. The person likes me. It could also be the Indian, but the person likes me. Naka bidzapi. So this is a pretty good way of saying it. Numu naka bidzapi. 13. Ne Jane bidzapi. Ne Jane bidzapi. I like Jane. I could also just say ne Jane bidzapi, but just for examples of usage. Ne Jane bidzapi. 14. Soo Jane bidzapi. Soo Jane bidzapi. Jane likes me. Soo Jane, subject. Object. 15. Soo Jane naka bidzapi. Soo Jane and naka bidzapi. Jane likes me, not you. Soo Jane nodugwa. Soo Jane nodugwa. Jane is my wife. Soo Jane naka nodugwa. Soo Jane naka nodugwa. Jane is my wife, same as above. E and naka. 18. Jane and nukadu. Jane and nukadu. Jane is mine. 19. Ishoo nukadu. Ishoo nukadu. This is mine. 20. Masu nukadu. Masu nukadu. That is mine. 21. Usu nukabugu. Usu nukabugu. That is my horse. 22. Supuku nukadu. Supuku nukadu. The horse is mine. In the subject case, naka is usually used to show more emphasis than e, which we call emphatic. Meaning, like I can say naa'a, means my dad or my father, just general. If I say nuka naa'a, it's my dad with more emphasis. Nuka naa'a. So I'm being more specific, adding more emphasis to it, because they mean the same thing. One is general and one is more emphasized. So suppose someone was introducing their mom or a picture of their mom to someone, and they said, "This is my mom. Ishoo bija. Ishoo bija." And the person says, "Whose mom?" Haka bija. Haka bija. Or haka bija. Whose mom? Haka. And I want to say my mother, adding emphasis. Naka bija. Naka bija. Or naka bidzapi. So this is my mom, ipia. And because they didn't really get what I was saying, said, "Whose mom?" I add more emphasis. Naka bija. Naka bija. Okay, another example contrasting naka and e, like you could say nodugwa, nodugwa, my wife in general, versus naka nodugwa, my wife, emphatic or more emphasis. In the object case, naka is also used to show more emphasis than e, so it's adding a little oomph to it. Suwanda booni. Suwanda booni means Wanda sees me. Suwanda naka booni. Suwanda naka booni. Wanda sees me, emphatic, like she really sees me. Sees me in general, really sees me. I gotta hide, guys, she sees me. Same with Subila bidzapi. Bill likes me in general. Subila naka bidzapi. Bill, it's almost like saying Bill seriously likes me. Bill really likes me. It's emphatic. So that's a little bit of differences between those two. But suppose someone was sharing information about being liked by someone else. Okay. Similar to the earlier example. Like someone says, "Su Bill bidzapi." Bill likes me. And someone didn't really catch what you were saying and said, "Haka bidzapi." Haka bidzapi? Likes whom? Naka bidzapi. Likes me. Naka bidzapi. More emphatic. Okay. And so naka also in the object case, it can translate to mean like at me, to me. So in the object, something's happening to me. Okay, like naka, listen to me. Naka booni, look at me. Naka kwivahoo, hit me. I know it sounds silly, but just examples of how that works. But since such emphasis will not be used so much while teaching online, we'll be using e more so than naka, because it's hard to interact in reality on computers. So now we're talking about you, your, and yours. Is you or your. We don't usually just spell it with one U, but we have to remember it is an elongated sound. Me is you or your. Then we have umidu. umid, which means yours. It is yours. Examples. Number 1, booni. Booni. I see you. Subject, object. Number 2, booni. Booni. You see me. 3, booni. Booni. I see you. More emphatic. Number 4, naka booni. Naka booni. You see me. Number 5, naa'a. Booni. Naa'a. Booni. Your dad sees you. Number 6, naa'a. Booni. Naa'a. Booni. Your dad sees you. More emphatic. Number 7, naa'a. Naka booni. Naa'a. Naka booni. Means your dad sees me. Number 8, naa'a. Booni. Naa'a. Booni. Your dad sees me. So just notice the different ways of saying the same thing. Just all depends on where you want to put your emphasis. Number 9, Ishoo naatsi. Umidu. Ishoo naatsi. Umidu. Means this boy is your son. Number 10, Ishoo umipare. Ishoo umipare. This girl is your daughter. Number 11, Ibidzapi umihama. Ibidzapi umihama. My mother is your older sister. 12, Ishoo kaazi umidi. Ishoo kaazi umidi. This car is yours. 13, Ishoo wiji-pook umidi. Ishoo wiji-pook umidi. This puppy dog is yours. 14, yate umidi. Yate umidi. These are yours. So in the subject case, umi is usually used to show more emphasis than same as e and naka. So naa'a, your dad, general. Naa'a, your dad, emphatic. Like, seriously, this is your dad. Naa'a, your dad's really here. Nodugwa, your wife. Nodugwa. Nodugwa, your wife, emphatic. Suppose you're introducing someone's pet to themselves. Just example. You tell someone, this is your dog. They say, whose dog? Your dog. So, Ishoo wiji-pook. This is your dog. Haka wiji-pook. Whose dog? Umidu or umidu. Umidu or umidu. Your dog, yours. In the object case, umi is also used to show more emphasis than So Marge, bidzapi. So Marge, bidzapi. Marge likes you. But then you can add more emphasis and say, So Marge, bidzapi. So Marge, bidzapi. Marge, she really likes you, man. So let's use these pronouns in a more emphatic way with these past tense verbs. Kicked, tanahoo. Tanahoo. Kicked is tanahoo. Hit, kwivahoo. Kwivahoo. Balled out, haa-hoo. Haa-hoo. That's an elongated ah sound. Haa-hoo. Haa-hoo means someone got balled out. Number 1, Ishoo tanahoo. Ishoo tanahoo. This horse kicked you. Number 2, Sutanituid naka haa-hoo. Sutanituid naka haa-hoo. The teacher bawled me out. Number 3, haydzi'i naka kwivahoo. Haydzi'i naka kwivahoo. Your sweetheart hit me. Number 4, haydzi'i haa-hoo. Haydzi'i haa-hoo. I bawled out your honey. Number 5, Sunemu naka tanahoo. Sunemu naka tanahoo. The Indian or the person kicked me. Number 6. Nodugwa kai naka bidzapi. Nodugwa kai naka bidzapi. Your wife doesn't like me. 7. Nodugwa kai bidzapi. Nodugwa kai bidzapi. My wife doesn't like you. Number 8. Gooma naka haa-hoo. Gooma naka haa-hoo. Your husband bawled me out. Number 9. Ikuma haa-hoo. Ikuma haa-hoo. My husband bawled you out. Number 10. Haydzi'i naka kwivahoo. Haydzi'i naka kwivahoo. My sweetheart blasted me. Haydzi'i naka kwivahoo. It's nice to use different pronouns so we don't get mixed up. Number 11. Haydzi'i kwivahoo. Haydzi'i kwivahoo. Your sweetheart hit you. Number 12. Wiji-pook naka. Wiji-pook naka. My dog doesn't listen to you. Number 12. Wiji-pook bija haa-hoo. Wiji-pook bija haa-hoo. I gave your dog a good bawling out. Number 14. Wiji-pook naka kwivahoo. Wiji-pook naka kwivahoo. It's like your dog attacked me. It means hit, but you could also use it for attack. 15. Mogo'ni naka bija haa-hoo. Mogo'ni naka bija haa-hoo. The woman, my daughter, gave her a good bawling out. 16. Sunana umitua bija kwivahoo. Sunana umitua bija kwivahoo. The man gave your son a good whooping. Hit him. 17. Naa'a haa-hoo. Naa'a haa-hoo. That means your dad bawls people out. Haa-hoo. That's the standard form of haa-hoo, which is past tense. Haa-hoo. Haa-hoo. 18. Gootsoo tanahoo. Gootsoo tanahoo. Your cow kicked you. Gootsoo tanahoo. 19. Ipabi'i naka kwivahoo. Ipabi'i naka kwivahoo. My older brother hit me. These are good contrasts of using e and naka. 20. Naka bidzapi haa-hoo. Naka bidzapi haa-hoo. My mom bawled you out. To get you. That's a lot of good practice. Get those down. You'll be doing all right. Ma nasabamina. End of lesson 39.